Good morning, apprentices. Today I'm going to show you how to twist multiple wires together to get a nice even twist where your moret or wire nut can fit on it properly. What you want to do here, first of all, you want to start off by getting all the wires lined up in the direction that you need it to. Go ahead and grab our linesman or pliers or whatever you want to call it. Just make sure you keep a firm grip on this side and twist properly in a clockwise fashion, because that's the way the wire nut's going to be screwing into it. I've seen a lot of guys, even sometimes left-handed guys, will twist it counterclockwise, and then when they go to screw the wire nut in, it undoes its joint. So that's not very helpful at all. So now that we have a nice firm grip on there, we want to grab it. I usually leave about my finger off there and snip it out. Clean it up and grab our wire nut. Twist it on nice and firm until it's really tight. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to, sometimes these will crack. And that's it. No copper is showing. Let's see if I can get that in the light. All the copper is inside the head. And you have a perfectly twisted joint. And we can go ahead and shove this back inside the box. So let's go ahead and take this a step further. I have to put power, constant power, on this guy here, and I can't remember now which wire was the live. Normally I and a lot of other people do put the live wire on the bottom and the load power on the top. So I'm going to pause the video, turn the power back on, figure out which one it is, and we'll do the splice. Okay, so I went ahead and turned the power on off camera, and I figured out that, like I thought, the bottom wire is one bringing the power from the panel, and the top is going to our load, and we need to bring power to this guy, which will be turning on a plug on the other side of this room. So we are not going to go into the back and just push it in. Highly uncommon, unprofessional. I don't like it at all. And that's not what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be making a splice to it, and we're going to be having 3 wires in the nut, and we're going to be bringing the little jumper to the plug. So first and foremost, we're going to take this guy off. And straighten out the wires just so we can, when it does come time to put them back into the box, it'll be easier. If you have a wire on the top, you can see it, the wire on the top here, I like to bring it down or bring the one that's on the bottom up just to keep them straight, so when we bend them up, there's no extra curling inside. You want to leave about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. You'll be leaving a little bit longer depending on how many wires you have to twist together. If you're putting like I don't know, 6 or between 6 and 8 wires together on the same wire nut, then you're going to want to leave a little bit longer to get yourself a nicer twist. But for 3 wires, this is more than enough. Again, line them up. Nice firm twist. No copper wire showing. We can go ahead and push this in the back of the box. And there's our jumper. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you learned something. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that, and it helps us out quite a bit. And if you do subscribe, right beside it, just hit that little bell so you can stay up to date on new tutorials releasing. I'm going to try to release as many tutorials as I can, either on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. If you guys have any questions on something you'd like to see, if I ever come across it on one of my job sites, I'll remember to get the camera out and hit that little record button so that I can get that off to you guys and you can learn how to do it the proper and safe way. Again, my name is Mark. I'm a licensed master electrician in Quebec. Anytime you're working on electricity, if you're not licensed to do so, always hire a master electrician or a representative. Take care. Thank you.